So in the standard system, we know that MDG, APPL and PLM GUI, both of these software components, they contain the standard connector, which is material. Now, in order to define our own new connector, we then need to open this hierarchy. So if we scroll down, we'll see within MDG APPL you have SAP APPL. So it has a menu option so that we need to navigate. So for example, I go to LO, and within the LO component, so for the material connector it is LOMDMM, and within this we will find the name of the object, or the name of an application model, which is called material. So this is our template connector. So we select this, and from here we can then create our own connector. So using this template material connector, the system will then create a new connector. So this is our the first steps. Using the modular, first we define the software application, and within the software application we will select the software components. We will include the software component within the software application. Using this hierarchy tree, we will then identify the standard template connector, which we say is material in the standard MDG, and then using the action option we will then create our own connector. Now once the connector gets defined in the system, then we can go to the cockpit. So EHS _ cockpit, it will open an application, and from within the cockpit there are certain steps that we may again need to follow. So here usually we need to first ensure that the template connector, which is material, has all the necessary search fields, and so in within this cockpit we will see there is a list of several connectors, and we can then scroll, or we can use the search option to find our own connector, and this search will lead us to, like for example, a material connector. So if I say find connector, and then we scroll, so we'll be able to locate our own material connector. So let me select this, and from the material connector we can then see the various attributes, like the details. Like for example, this is the connector, the material. If I select this, then in the bottom part of this screen within the cockpit we can then see the the basic software application. So we created this software application, and then